Hey, greetings YouTube. Performance Reviews, where I give you a review from the technician's point of view. And today we're doing a technical tutorial on a shark vacuum, particularly one with the famous dual clean, which is, well, it's known for failure. And by the time we're done with this video, I'm going to show you how to take your busted shark and turn it into a functioning good vacuum cleaner. Well, folks, I told you I'd show you how to fix any shark with one simple tool, and we're going to go ahead and do that today. And I have 3 shark vacuums set up at about, what is that, like 45, 50 yards? Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and take care of that the only way I know how. Really simple. I have here an M1 Grand, thanks to Uncle Sam, through the Civilian Marksmanship Program, which I highly recommend you go check out. Let's take care of some sharks. It would seem I fixed the sharks just a little bit. You can see that is definitely no longer a threat and has been taken care of. You can see I went right through the HEPA filter right there. So that has been very much taken care of, and that is no longer going to harm anybody in their house. You can see right here where I had a couple shots just go right through the bin, right there, through the filter. And there's can't see if there's one in the motor too. Ready? Yep. All right, let's take care of those fucking sharks. We have here the shark aftermath. We took care of these sharks. There's nothing, absolutely nothing left as well. The hoses are crazy. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely. Well, folks, thank you for subscribing and watching as we continue to grow the channel, that this channel continues to grow and I can continue to bring you good content, repairs, reviews, etc. So definitely give this video a thumbs up, share if it gave you a smile, and please post your comments about this below.